Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to design carousel posts in Canva for engagement step by step in 2026, so you can create scroll-stopping posts that attract attention and keep your audience engaged. Carousel posts are a fantastic way to tell a story, share tips, or provide step-by-step guides on social media platforms like Instagram or LinkedIn. The key is to make each slide visually appealing and easy to swipe through. Start by opening Canva and creating a new design with the correct dimensions for your platform, like Instagram's 1080 by 1080 pixels square format. Set the number of slides you want to include in your carousel. Consistency across slides is crucial for a smooth user experience. Next, choose a color scheme, fonts, and style that match your brand. This ensures your carousel looks professional and cohesive. Use your brand colors and typography for all slides to maintain visual identity. Now, design each slide with a clear message. Break down information into small, digestible chunks. Use headings, bullet points, and visuals to guide viewers through the content. Remember, each slide should be readable in a few seconds. Add engaging elements like icons, illustrations, or subtle animations to make your carousel more interactive. Use Canva's grids and alignment tools to keep everything balanced and visually appealing. Another tip is to include a hook on the first slide. Capture attention immediately with a question, bold statement, or eye-catching image. Then, build curiosity throughout the following slides to encourage users to swipe until the end. Finally, review all slides for flow and clarity. Export your carousel as high-quality images or a PDF depending on the platform and schedule them for posting. Track engagement to see what works best and tweak your designs for future posts. And that's how to design carousel posts in Canva for engagement step by step in 2026. If this guide helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more Canva tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.